Mitch. I'm from Elevated Pushing Buttons, and I was supposed to do this routine with this guy, but he actually didn't show up, so yeah. So, I guess, yeah. You know, this guy, we've been starting to see each other, and he's one of those guys that's like, you know, deadbeat, on the couch, eating popcorn, and, you know, doesn't have a job, you know? And it's just making me really frustrated. Like, I'm starting to think, I don't even know why I'm doing this show at all. In fact, you know, has anyone ever canceled their show during Fringe for All?
No, here!
Dylan! Dylan, you were supposed to be here, like, an hour ago. Dylan!
Hello, everyone!
Dylan, I'm canceling the show.
Oh, wait, the back time.
I'm canceling the show.
No, don't cancel the show.
Dylan, I can't count on you.
I'm sorry, like, I was just at a job interview.
You were at a job interview.
Yeah.
Did you get the job?
No. But no, don't worry about it.
Dylan, I need to know that you're gonna be there, that you're gonna show up for the performances, and I don't think that I can trust you.
Of course you can trust me. We've been practicing this show for months now. And come on, this is your big break. Dancing in front of people. 30 seconds. And, yeah, so, don't worry, it's gonna be a great show.